Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok videos offline. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and we're going to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. Go to your profile first and then you can click on the three lines on the top right, and here you have to choose the settings and privacy. Okay, and scroll down until you find offline videos, and here you will be able to choose how many videos you want to watch when you are offline. And let's say I want to watch 50 videos. I'm gonna select this one and then we have to download the videos. Okay, and I'm just going to click on continue, and now the videos are being downloaded. And then I'm going to go to my FYP, and as you can see that the video is being played, and I'm going to turn off my mobile data. Okay, and as you can see guys that we will be able to watch the videos offline. Alright guys, and that's all the way to watch TikTok videos offline. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.